And the lines are still long at Gordon Ramsay Fish and Chips and Street Burger Restaurant. Look at the lines. It is Sunday. It is around 11:45 a.m. The restaurant does open at noon. And I just talked to the security individual. He says that the lines start forming at around 11:30. And you can see the line in front of the Fish and Chips restaurant is a lot longer than the line at the Street Burger restaurant. And when I was here the other day, it was just the opposite. I did post a poll on my YouTube channel asking which wait line is longer, Street Burgers or Fish and Chips. And the day I posted it, the Street Burger line was longer. But today is Sunday. The line is a much longer at the Fish and Chips. I will bring you a food review in the next few days. Like I mentioned in other videos, I am not the kind of guy that waits in line, especially for food. But I believe that the food at the Gordon Ramsay restaurants is going to be awesome. I will bring you some more content a little bit later here in the video, and there is a construction worker on the La Victoria. They are continuing to paint the outside of that building. That building is due to open in 2025 sometime. Let's take a walk down Mactan Newtown Boulevard and see what we can see. And here's another parking lot located back here. And there's your official Gordon Ramsay Fish and Chip logo right here, right across from the exposition center. I think it's time to take a walk over to the lagoon area and see what kind of progress they're making on the excavation. I wanted to talk a little bit about the lagoon. The lagoon is going to be massive. I did include a promotional video about a week ago that one of the sales agents provided to me of the lagoon. It's going to extend from the beach area all the way to this intersection where the Mactan Newtown sign is going to be. You are going to be able to swim in that lagoon, and one day that lagoon will be across Mactan Newtown Boulevard from the casino. The lagoon is going to be located right behind that Megaworld Mactan Newtown sign. And just to give you a little bit of information on the type of ground and soil that they are working with, they're going to have to dig that lagoon in limestone. And in the Philippines, you only have a few inches of topsoil, and under that is limestone. So excavation work will take a lot longer in the Philippines than it will in other parts of the world. You can see that's all limestone. They're going to need to jackhammer that limestone and dig it out to make the lagoon. And I watched several YouTubers who are building homes here in the Philippines. They are installing in-ground swimming pools. And one YouTuber, it took him 8 weeks to put in an in-ground swimming pool. And most of that time was spent jackhammering the limestone to dig a hole. So to give you perspective, this lagoon is going to be massive. It's going to be a massive swimming pool, essentially. And it's going to take time to build this lagoon. So be patient. Right across the street, that is where the casino is going to be. That orange rooftop is the Shangri-La. That is the 4 or 5-star hotel. They have 7 restaurants, high quality food. A lot of the Mactan Newtown residents will treat themselves. They will go there, they will dine in the restaurants. They might even buy a day pass for 2,000 pesos to use their swimming pools and their beach. They do have a beach over there as well. And here I will show you another angle of the lagoon that they are constructing. And it does look like they're making some pretty good progress on this lagoon. Lots of excavation work being done on the lagoon. This is a massive project. And straight ahead of you is the beach, 400 meters. I do see some interesting things up here. This is where the al fresco viewing tower will be. There will be also a Wolfgang Steakhouse restaurant located in this area. There will be a Starbucks coffee located in this area, and I do see they are constructing bleachers right here in this area. And these bleachers are going to be used for the Ironman triathlon that's going to be held, I believe, next weekend. Flying out of Mactan International Airport right there. That is a jet. That is Mactan Newtown off in the distance. And they will be constructing this area for the Ironman competition. I believe it is a triathlon. And I will bring you some video content next week when the Ironman is going on. I assume they're going to have part of the race swimming in the ocean. That is Mactan Newtown beach entrance right in front of you. And it looks like they cut the grass here for events, for maybe parking, maybe gathering. Maybe they're going to have their bikes here if they swim. I believe a triathlon. The first part of the triathlon is swimming. And then I think they come out of the water and they jump on their bike and they go biking for a long while. And then I think the third leg of the triathlon is a marathon, if I'm correct. Let me know in the comments if I'm accurate on that assessment. But I will bring you information. Mayan Buntag of the Ironman competition. And just so you're for information, the Ironman is supposed to start Actually, the lagoon is supposed to start right here, but I do see some tents set up right over here. And I cannot see because there are hedges in my way. So later on, I will be seeing the video for the first time. But it looks like they are using this area where the lagoon is going to start for maybe registration of the Ironman. It looks like they have tents right here. So it is going to be a big event. And I did witness a road race last year, and there were a lot of people here from all over the world participating. So this is going to be a big deal here at Mactan Newtown. And there you can see is where they're constructing the lagoon. Yeah, it looks like this is going to be a tent and registration area for the Ironman. That is the Reef condo off in the distance. And I'm not sure what those orange condo buildings are to the right of the Reef. I'm not sure if it's Sekion or if it's Tambuli. I'll let you know in the comments below, or make a comment. I'll let you know. If I look it up, I will put a pop-up box in the video. So there you have it. That is your video for today. Please like, share, and subscribe. I would appreciate it. Ring the bell icon for notifications. Have a great day. Take care. Stay safe, everyone.